When someone is going through a mental health crisis here locally, the Monroe County Sheriff's Office says it has available teams and resources to help that person get the services they might need. Hayden Wentworth looked into this and spoke to authorities about why the support they have is so important, not just to these people going through a struggle, but also the greater community. She's live downtown. Hayden?
Brennan, MCSO has seen an increase of mental health crisis calls coming in over the past few years. Now they have the right resources to make sure that every call is handled the right way. Mental health, or sometimes known as mental hygiene crisis calls, are not new to MCSO.
Those calls come in numerously during a shift throughout the county.
And over the years, the Sheriff's Office has built a team designed for just that.
We do have individuals within the department, members of the crisis intervention team, who have received advanced training in mental health diagnoses, and in de-escalation techniques. So when these calls come in, those members of the CIT team will respond to those calls.
Along with CIT, they also work along the Forensic Intervention Team, or FIT.
They are out there 24/7 with us. We can communicate with them on the radio. And when we go to these mental health calls, we can have them respond with us. So we have the mental health counselor right there with us to interact with these people, to get them connected with various other services that we ourselves may not be aware of.
The nature of the calls they receive can vary, some where the situation can escalate quickly, and
there are others where they may be more on the extreme end. In those cases, it's all about safety for the community, safety for the individual in crisis at that particular time.
With these intervention teams being relatively new,
when I started, we didn't have crisis intervention in this area.
It's the success stories that the department values the most.
The big successes is when they don't call us anymore. You know, we'd have people call us 4, 5, 6 times a day, and we get them connected with who we need them to, if it's medication, therapy, whatever services they need, and those calls drop.
And for those who may be interested in applying before the recruitment deadline closes on August 4th, Lieutenant Unterborn says that there may be a chance for training opportunities for deputies in the CIT team. Brennan?
All right, Hayden, thank you. By the way, if you or a loved one is experiencing a mental health crisis at any time, there is help for you. You can call the National Suicide Hotline at 988. There's also a local lifeline at 211, and if ever, of course, with an emergency, 911 as well. We have more information about the support here on our website, rochesterfirst.com.